Good evening, all my students and my friends. Today I am going to teach you the most important chapter of class 12th, that is matrices. Okay, so now let's go. Okay, let's start. Matrices. Okay, first of all, what is matrices? Matrices is just an arrangement of number. Okay, arrangement of number, like in a box. Okay, in a bag we arrange our books. Okay, in a bag we arrange our clothes. Similar to this, when we arrange number in a box of shape like this or the shape like this, okay, we write here number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like that. Okay, then this arrangement of number, here I arrange books in bag, we also arrange clothes in bag. Then in the similar way, when we arrange number in the this shape or this shape, then it is known as matrices. Okay, clear? Okay, now what is the, first of all we learnt about row and column. Okay, what is this? Okay, in periodic table you have learned that there are, like 8th row, okay, and 18th period. Okay, like this. It means if we go horizontal direction, then it denotes row. It means all the things which are on the same horizontal place, that is on the same row. Okay, and if in vertical direction, all are on the same position, all are in the same vertical line, then it is known as same column. Okay, column. Okay, now clear? Row and column. Okay, then what is the use of row and column in the matrices? Okay, as we know, a matrices is arrangement of number. Then if we arrange number like this 1 2 3 4 5 6, then this is row. There are here two rows, one is this one and second one is this one. Okay, and this is column, first, second and third. Okay, this is column. Here 3 column, okay, and 2 rows, because I have already discussed that what is row and what is column. Okay, the vertical line, here this is vertical line, this is this one vertical line. So how many vertical line? First, second and third, therefore 3 column. Okay, and how many row means horizontal row. Okay, horizontal line is row. Okay, so here this one and this one, that is 2. Okay, 2 rows and 3 column. Then now define order of a matrices. Okay, this next important thing is order of matrices. That is, what is the order of any matrix? Because it is just an arrangement of number, then there will be an order, okay, for matrices. That's why order of a matrix. Okay, like if here, okay, taking this matrix only here, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 2 rows and 3 column. Okay, I'm just getting this matrix here. Okay, replacing that matrices here. Okay, then in subscript form we write here 2 by 3. Okay, always remember not 2 cross 3. Here it is read as 2 by 3. Okay, because first write row, number of row, and second number of column. Okay, 2 row and 3 column, like that. Now going to next one, that is clear. Now going to element. Okay, we represent element as Aij. Okay, element means the number which are written in the bracket. It is written as Aij. Okay, denoted as Aij. Here if we write from above that what is here, I is denoted by row, j column. Okay, then here if we write A11, then which element we refer? I row and j column. Here I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, that is the first row and first column, the element of first row and first column. If we go above and see the matrix, then what is the first row? First row is this one. Okay, and what is the first column? Okay, first column is this one. Okay, clear? Okay, this one first row, this one first column. Here the elements is 1 1, that is also row is also 1, first row, and column is also first, that is the this element which is included in both one, this one also and this one also, that is 1. Okay, so A11 is equal to 1. Okay, now for A12, what is A12? Then go, first one is row, denoted row, and second one denoted column. Okay, then A12, that means first row. Okay, and second 2 means second one is denoted by column, second column. Okay, if you go first row and second column, that is 1, this one. It's look complicated, I write element here. Okay, that is first row A12, it means row first, row equal to 1, and 2 means column equal to second. Okay, then I go first with row, that is this one, row first, it is denoted by A1 2, 1 for row and 2 for column. So first we go with row, that is 1, and second denoted column, column second column, it means this one. Okay, which element is involving in both one? This one, that is 2, so A12 is equal to 2. Okay, in this way, let another example, take another example, that is A31. Okay, then 3 means row third of matrix, first column. Okay, in the similar way you do this. Okay, that is row third, here not row third. Let's take another example, let's take A23. Okay, that's it, row second and third column. Okay, row second and third column, because there is only 2 row, so not A32 like that, because we have only talked about 2 row and 3 column. Okay, 8 to 3, second row we have to go like this, and third column we have to like this. Okay, then this element 6 will come in both the cases, so A23 equal to 6. Okay, now clear. Okay, now going to order, clear. Okay, if any problem then you can write it in comment box, I will reply there. Okay, now going to third one, that is order, clear. What is matrix, that is also clear, order clear. Now going to the next one, that is if you are given that Aij equal to I plus j by 2. Okay, and in question you are have to write the matrices of 2 cross 3. Okay, if question given that order of 2 by 3 even matrix and the element defined like this, then what we have to think first, that here given 2 row and 3 column. Okay, so this one like look like this, 2 row and 3 column. Okay, here if we take I equal to 1, j equal to 1 for a11, then put there a11 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 1. Similarly for I equal to 1, j equal to 2, 1 plus 2 by 2, that is 3 by 2. So write it here 3 by 2. Like you can write element of this. Okay, now going to next one, that is types of matrices. Okay, the first one is rectangular, second one square matrix, third one row, and fourth one column. Okay, why I am writing this, because if you see the definition of this one, then they all look similar. If means if you remember only one, then you will okay to get all the definition of all the 4 matrix. Okay, let's explain first one, rectangular. As the name suggests, rectangular means what it denotes, it denotes that if we write the number and in a bracket, then the bracket shape look like a rectangle, similar for a square, row and column. Okay, rectangular like, okay, rectangular will be like this one, like okay, or like this one, both of them are rectangular. Okay, that means row not equal to column. In one line or in one sentence we denote it as row not equal to column, like 3 cross 2, like 2 cross 3. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, 3 row and 3 column, 2 row and 3 column. Okay, shape look like. Second one, square matrix. Square matrix means like this one, the shape look like square. Okay, like 1 cross 1, also known as singleton matrix. We will read further this, that is only one element containing only one element. 1 2 3 4, 2 cross 2, 2 by 2, sorry, that is 2 row and 2 column. Okay, now 3 cross 3, sorry, 3 by 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, like that. Okay, 3 row and 3 column. Okay, now third one, that is row, sorry, yeah, row matrix, square then row. A row, that is if you write the matrix, it will look like a single row. Okay, like 1 2 3 4, this is 1 by 4. Why 1 by 4? Only one row, that is row, and 4 denotes for column. So here 1 2 3 4, 4 column. Okay, so this is row matrix in which only single row. Now fourth one, that is column matrix. Column matrix means similar to all, that is look like a column and only 2 5 6, like that. Here 3 rows and 1 column, that means only one column. Okay, today that's all from my side. If you have any problem, then you can write that on comment box. I will reply there.